Greetings, my beautiful people. I will do another reaction this time. It will be my first reaction of the amazing, talented person Oleg Abramov. He has 135,000 subscribers, and the title is called Konstantin Nikольский, My White Birds, High Definition, 720 pixels. The video has been uploaded 8 years ago with 391,000 views, showing my reaction from Luxembourg to all the watchers. Here we go.
И метели землю одолели, птицы белые мои к солнцу улетели по затерянным следам. Поспешите в край далекий, в путь нелегкий к светлым солнечным годам. Отыщите мою радость, что за горем затерялась. Принесите песню мне о родившейся весне.
Swans are really so beautiful animals. When they stay in a couple together, when one passed away, they are sad for weeks, even for months. And when they fly, like example from northern Europe, they could even fly to 2 till 3,000 kilometers to the south, to another place where it's more warm. Mostly when the winter starts, they are flying in the south.
Разыщите лучик, что закрыли тучи, и родник живой воды.
Also in my country, we do not have a sea, but we have an called Mosel. It's a riverside between Germany and Luxembourg. And on the right side where the Mosel is, we have also at least 50 swamps. So I was immediately thinking, when the weather is getting better, making a video about that. But I think it will be not very successful, but I could do that in the future. It's very sweet and very beautiful to see the swans with their eggs, with their family walking literally on the walking bed.
Напоить сады, отыщите в тишине голос ласковый, любимый, рук тепло, дающий силы, взгляд ее верните мне. Принесите мне веселье горных рек и рек весенних, жар людских сердец согретых, вольных странствий теплым ветром. Попросите небо не темнеть от гнева, попросите у полей мирного раздолья, попросите у лесов чистых звонких голосов, чтоб сказать о том, как труден путь души спешащий к людям. Отыщите острова, где зеленая трава, в ней живут
When they fly in a group, we have always one leader that all the swarms are following them, and that's the leader. So he really literally knows where to fly.
Попросите у лесов чистых звонких голосов, чтоб сказать о том, как труден путь души спешащих людям. Отыщите острова, где зеленая трава, в ней живут любви и мира позабытые слова. Отыщите острова, где зеленая трава, в ней живут любви и мира позабытые слова.
To be very honest, I'm really enjoying the beauty of this video. The swarms, the beauty of with the sun, with the moon, with the landscape, and how they fly always together with the whole group. The footage is just well made. Voila, that was the end of this video. So beautiful. What a relaxing song. What a beauty. It makes me so happy. What do you think about this video? Do you like this kind of animals? Do you like this kind of footage? Do you like this kind of video? Let me know in the comments below. It was a very relaxing video. For the rest, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, stay safe, and I will see you on the next one.